Change is here to stay. It's not going to go away. 9/11 changed the world. And guess what? 54% of the population resist change. 40% resist change because they fear the loss of stability. They need preconditioning prior to change. Change can't be a shock to them. They've got to have a chance to warm up to it. They're very comfortable with what they have right now, and they're afraid that this change is going to take them out of their comfort level. 14% of the population resist change because they're concerned about the effects of change. They're concerned about quality. They want to make sure that they're doing the right thing, that everything's going to be perfect and accurate. And they're more likely to make a change when they see that they're going to be successful as a result of this change. When this group is facing a change that they don't like and they feel strongly about it, they're going to take action and they're going to do something. Now, 46% of the population, they don't have a problem with change. They actually like it. They embrace it. 18% of the population, they like change, they'll embrace change, and they will create change because they get bored so easily. But the key is they want to have control and they want to be in control of the change. Now, this group is going to be concerned, or they're going to resist change if they're not in control of the change. And if change is something much bigger, if it's monumental, they're going to have to learn how to relax and just let it go, not worry about it. And once they've come to the realization there's not a thing they can do about it, then they're fine with the change. 28% of the population embrace change. They don't have a problem with change, especially if change is something that they like. Now, you can expect to see an emotional reaction to change if it's something they don't like. They're either going to be angry or they're going to be depressed. But if change is something they do like, they're going to be the cheerleaders. They just want to make sure that they look good and their possessions look good. So now that we know the reasons why people resist or embrace change, we've got to be ready to deal with whatever change brings us. So let's talk about change. Dealing with change will help us to become a more effective team member and have greater success in the world, because the challenges in the world and at work are so big that it takes more than one other person's thought process. We've got to be able to work more effectively with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 76 other people more quickly, more easily, and more efficiently when dealing with change. And we've got it because it's instantaneous, and we've got to be able to work together and have all those different skills working together. And we've got to have awareness that change is happening all around us, because awareness is the power, the cornerstone behind our thought process. And if we aren't aware of the rapid pace of change, and if we aren't aware of how we react to change, and if we aren't aware of how it affects trust with others, then we might get stuck and not grow in the process. It's a lot easier to get stuck than not get stuck. It's easier to be comfortable than to get up and move.